five.
Hello everybody, I am Gaming Dude 12, and we are going to be reacting to another Markiplier video, which I saw Meow, but I never made a reaction video. I had not seen Woof, I never knew he released it. And so, all I see is, yeah, high five! That's all I see. Well, I can tell by the hand he's going to say 5, but hi. I think it's going to be 5. Alright, but let's get started.
Yes! Barf! 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 Woof! 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 Barf! Oh, please stop. No. God, why? What have you done to me? My butt feels weird! Am I a cat? I'm a dog, Barf!
Barf!
Hey. What's going on over here? Oh, he seems bad. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, shit. F*** you. This is dog. Woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, bitch.
I'm sorry.
Say woof again. Hey, woof again.
Woof.
Hey, Chico, what's going on? I don't know.
I don't know.
Dad, why? Yeah, why did you make another one of these, Dad?
Because I can. You know what? Let's watch Meow again. I've seen it before, but this is.
I'm gonna meow the f*** out of you. Meow. Meow.
Ah.
No shit. Am I a cat? Bow, bow. What am I? Meow, bitch! Why did I waste my life making this video? Because I care.
I already watched Woof. Let's watch some more. Just because. Alright. I can't move it. Okay, I can tap through my face again. Good. Alright. Be right back. Okay, this looks like a good video. Wolf remix. I like remixes, so I think they're really cool.
I'm a dog, barf. Hey, what's going on over here? Oh, he seems bad. Oh, no. Oh, shit. F*** you. Yes.
Things differently. It froze. I think so too. It's your toe that's frozen, not mine.
Another one. Why did you take another one? Why did you take another one of these?
Ethan, I'm gonna react to some of your videos, which I've seen before, but I wanna watch them again. Honestly, that's not all. I'll be right back. This video right here. And then something more.
TJ and Gabe time. I didn't.
I remember that.
Well, that's just Gabe staring at a wall.
Oh yeah. Forgot about this. That's just a fake fall, Ethan. I thought you were trying to do a trick, but I just noticed that's a fake fall. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's more back roll, but still cool. You probably guys don't think it's cool, Ethan. What is it? It would have been even funnier if he just fell, like went backwards and just stopped. Sorry, Ethan. These are older videos.
I bet you can't do this. It's twitching your finger, walking up your middle finger and twitching it.
I don't know what he did. He did something like this. He did something like that. I can't tell what the name is. Oh yeah, I remember.
Sub to me, please.
So everybody, please go check out his channel. Please, it's Ethan Dude. Hold on. Oh, wait. Maybe these are further. I don't know really how to do the description.
Here's my fireworks stash.
He'll probably leave a comment saying I did the same.
$20 worth of fireworks that I'm going to be lighting tomorrow, and I may make a video on it. Bye.
I was listening to the song. Well, that's all for this video. I'm sorry, I don't know if it was short or long, but as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.